Hi. Hey guys, I'm filming a video on this look. I did a shot my stash and I came up with this bronzy smoky eye with a mauve nude lip. Starting out with the Watch Me blush palette. You can see all of the list of the products down below. I'm not super I don't have them memorized like I normally do because these were ones that I don't use every time, if that makes sense. But I really like how the look came out for sure. Some of the products that I use normally did make it into my look here, like the Danessa Myricks Enlight powders, the Studio Fix powders, what else? The Makeup Revolution Renaissance eyeliner. Because either I didn't really have one that I wanted to try, or because I do have other eyeliners, do have other powders, but sometimes I find with eyeliners it's tricky. If I'm doing something, I don't want to test out an eyeliner because I don't want to risk it running down my face. I get really watery eyes, and even in this, when I did this look, I kind of I had got some powder in my eye, and it was game over for me. The eyeliner was everywhere. But anyway, I am doing just some darkening of the lid and the eye. I used a lot of highlighters in this because I love playing around with highlighters. I used the Stila. First of all, I used the Cavity palette by Jeffree Star. Love it. I used it as blush, the orange color. Really, really hope he comes out with those in full size. I absolutely love them. I would love to see that formula done in more blush colors. Really, really gorgeous. And then I went over it with the Stila Heaven's Dew in Silverlake, the Urban Decay Illuminated powder in Luminous, and the Danessa Myricks Enlight powders in Light and Ice. I like layering. I like I don't like to have a super glowy highlighter all over my face, so I used the Urban Decay Illuminated powders on my forehead and on my chin. I tend to like a more subdued look there, but then with the Danessa Myricks powders on my cheek, that's what is kind of what makes it so poppin', so to speak. But I did use the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette as well too, and that is an old favorite. I used it a couple times and I really, really liked it, and I enjoy the looks that I get out of it, but I don't find that it has a lot of versatility, unfortunately. I mean, it's kind of, it does, but it's always a warm, smoky eye. You know what I mean? Like, it's not where you could do, there's not a huge array of colors, I guess. It's all in the same color family, just different tones, or shades, I should say. So I hope that makes sense. But anyway, and then I did go ahead and use the E.L.F. Prep and Hydrate Balm, I believe. I like that. I have some dry patches on my skin, and I found that with the Jeffree Star Concealer and the Wet n Wild Photofocus Foundation with the Studio Fix powder by MAC and the Coty Airspun over top of it, I thought that was a nice combination. I was happy with the way my skin looked. I did use Leo by Jeffree Star, the lip liner the old formula because it was confirmed eye safe. I don't know if the new formula is eye safe, so I did not use it on my eyes. I used it on one eye and I was like, actually, I don't know if this was confirmed eye safe, so I'm just going to use the old one. So the old one's on my eyes, and then the new formula is on my lips. And then I used Candy Joint from the new Blood Sugar Mini Lipstick Vault. That I love that color. It's probably my favorite color in there. I love how it made my lips look, and they didn't look dry or anything like that. So I was really happy with it. I think I probably would have gone with a darker hair color. Like sometimes I do, you guys might have seen, but like maybe in my bridesmaid makeup tutorial I had that hair color. I probably would use that hair color with this. However, it was not clean. And I haven't been really getting ready doing my hair or makeup, so I haven't really been washing my wigs. So that's, you know, I've just been wearing my hair up in a bun and saying fuck it. So that's why I wore the blonde hair. It's new. I was selling it. I don't know if I want to sell it though, because I kind of like it. I think it's kind of dope. But maybe, I don't know. I made a post about it on Instagram if you want to go check. Once again, my Instagram link is in the description, so definitely go check that out for sure. I really hope you guys enjoy the look as well. How's everybody been doing? I feel like I've been posting a lot lately, but it's good. I enjoy it. For a while, I was thinking, am I going to become a lip swatch channel? Because I was just like lip swatching everything. But I guess if you have them, why not do a video on them? Even if it's one after the other, because people will go back and watch them for reference when they're deciding what they want to buy. So I guess they'll be of use down the line, maybe, or I don't know. Anyway, and I used for bronzer, I used the NYC color wheel. The color's in the description. I quite liked it. I don't know if they sell these anymore. I was gifted this. I believe my mom gave it to me. I really liked it. I thought that it was kind of similar to Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which I also really like. So that was all good. And then I just put that on the outer perimeter of my face. I don't really do, I think I've talked about this before, I don't really do any lines or any sharp contouring. So this is that Cavity palette, the orange that I used. Absolutely love it. I think it turned out really nice. I can't wait to use the pink one. And it blended nicely as well too. I found, you know, I just kept running my brush over it and it just kept blending and blending, and it made it a bit more soft. I like to go with, because I wear so many highlighters and so many different layers of bright products, I like to go over my cheeks with a bright blush and then kind of dull it down with the highlighters. And then if it gets too dull to the point where it's like not visible, then I'll just go ahead and put some more over top of the highlighters. But I really, really like to layer and really like to see what works with what. So that's the Stila Heaven's Dew. This is the Urban Decay Illuminated in Luminous. And then I believe that that is the Danessa Myricks Enlight powder in Light. And then I spot highlight with, yes, I spot highlight with my Enlight powder in Ice after spraying my face with setting spray. I love the glow it gives. I find it makes, at least personally, I might be delusional, but I find it looks plastic. I really like that. So, anyway, I didn't really know what to do with my hair for this look either. So at the end, you'll kind of see I had it back, put it behind my ears. I just ended up messing it up, honestly, but whatevs. I don't really have anything to talk about, you guys. I've been uploading so much lately that I've kind of run out of shit to say. Like, I talk about the eyeliner, talk about the lip liner. Like, the lip liner is hella good. I love it. The Leo lip liner looked really good with the Candy Joint lipstick. What else can I even say? Normally I have more things to say. But today I'm just like totally blanking. Well, anyway, I guess if you don't have anything important to say, don't say anything, right? But I want to thank you guys so much for watching and putting up with my boring commentary. Thanks, guys. Please subscribe, share, comment, like, all that shit. And I really hope you guys like. Thanks, bye.